his followers will be saying this and next to that. They're practically stopping.
Why is it worse?
Clever.
We're getting them today. What is it about today?
Saturday, 15th of February 2020, late at night. Okay, coming back on the M62 in torrential rain last night from Manchester. There are concrete barriers along the road because there are repairs going on. There is nowhere to go if you break down. Watch what happens. Brake lights go on. We slow down. What's happening is moving into the middle lane, and then it becomes obvious somebody has broken down. There is nowhere to go. All you have is a torchlight and the blinking lights. No lights on the motorway, of course, which is another hazard. This is why smart motorways are such a bad idea.
This person with this door open. Oh, for crying out loud.
Just pull straight out. No signal at all. So I toot my horn. She stops, and it is a she. And then just goes round, slows down, winds down her window.
You just pull right out in front of me. No signal.
And gets a bit abusive.
What are you doing this time? Are you really stopping? Or are you just
I don't know.
cruising along?
Under 10 miles an hour.
Up to 11 now.
No, they're slowing up.
It's disabled. No.
They're stopping. No, they're not. It's not parked there for very long. There's not enough room there. Oh dear.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, good grief.
Yeah, she really is an old lady. Dear me, I thought she was the daughter of the lady that was sitting in the passenger seat.